Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Syncwire USB-C to USB adapter. It is in 2-pack. That means you have 2 adapters in one package. It's a USB Type-C to USB 3.0 female adapter. Thunderbolt 3 to USB adapter, compatible with MacBook Air 2020, 2021, etc. MacBook 12 inches, iPad Pro 2020, 21, and more. And you have 2 colors in that set, gray and silver. As you like, you can choose. 5 gigabit per second super speed. It supports data transfer at USB 3.0 speeds up to 5 gigabit per second. Fast enough to transfer 1 gigabit video in seconds. Wide compatibility. It's compatible with any type of laptops, tablets, smartphones with a USB Type-C port, including MacBook Pro from 19, 18, 17, and 2016. No prob. And 2020, of course, and 21, of course, too. MacBook Air, no prob with it. Nintendo Switch, Dell XPS, Surface Go, Samsung Galaxy S8, S9. iPad Pro, no prob for this adapter, because it's super slim and compact. The small and compact design makes this adapter portable, no matter where we go or what we need to charge. Ultra durable. And not only to charge, because it comes with data transfer too. Ultra durable, alloy scratch-proof coating, dissipates heat quickly and prevents fingerprints, with stringent internal circuit protection. It keeps the adapter looking new every day, day by day. Oh yeah, we will get the Syncwire Thunderbolt C to USB 3 adapter. Oh, and that's awesome because there are 2 of them. Yeah, this is the Syncwire aluminium USB Type-C adapter, USB 3.1 first generation to USB 3.0 OTG. It's an adapter pack of 2 in gray and silver. It's compatible with all devices out there, and it is really awesome because I'm going to use that for my studio mic. Yeah. Now, at this time, I am using still one of that adapters here to speak to you. That's really awesome. We have a Type-C female to a USB 3.0 a male adapter. Yeah. The data transfer is really fast. The weight is only 3.9 grams. It's like a feather. Built with standard USB 3 and USB 3.1 generation 1 connectors. The USB C adapter supports blazing file transmission rate up to 5 gigabit per second. Faster enough to transfer 1G video within seconds, and it's plug and play. Instantly connect the standard USB-A peripherals such as a mouse, an app, a card reader, a keyboard and more to our USB-C laptop, smartphone or other USB-C devices. Super compact and no gap. The size is mini as a coin. We can put it into our pocket or wallet while we are on the go. And it's ultra durable alloy design. Available in 2 colors to match the Apple MacBook color finish. And it comes with an aluminium scratch-proof coating. It keeps the adapter looking new every day. And anti-interference. 5.1 kilo ohm resistance with 10.5 capacitance ensure the safe and stable charging and data transfer. And what the best thing is the really nice wide compatibility. If you have a USB male cable, you can dock this adapter onto it, and after the docking is completed, it is an USB-C male adapter kit. Oh yeah, it's really easy and awesome to use, and this thing needs everyone who needs USB-C and do not have USB male adapter plugged in, though you can use that Syncwire USB-C to a USB adapter. Oh yeah. Oh, that's awesome. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.